What an osteon has is basically has little canals and little osteons and osteocytes, or not little osteons, osteocytes and osteoblasts and osteoclasts, and it's encircling this central canal. This whole system is called a haversian system. I used to call it Haversian. I don't know why, but it's called a haversian system, and the canal can be called a haversian canal. But an osteon, aka haversian system, is basically these little circles that concentrate around the central canal. And they have the cells, they have the bone matrix, they have everything. So this is the smallest functional unit of bone. And these layers that you see I'm drawing, if it's circling and concentrating around, what's another word for layer? So you know when you have an ID or a picture and you put those two plastic pieces on, you heat them, what is that called? A laminate, right? So you laminate stuff. So these are called layers or lamella. I just remember them as being laminated. So lamella, if it circles around the osteon, it's called concentric. If it is found between tissues, it is called interstitial, right? So concentric lamellae. This guy here, anything found in between is just inter. Inter means between. Stitial actually means or refers to tissue. Any tissue, right? And we have four. We had semen, right? Connective, muscle, epithelial, nervous. So it's just random. And then this one that circles or encases all of it basically makes a circumference around it all. It's just called circumferential. So circumferential. And it's just ways to describe the layering that wraps around different parts of the bone. So we can take a look at that. So what did I say? Woo, woo, looks like an owl eye, right? If I circle around this, it's called concentric. Right there, concentric. And then this guy in the center is the central canal, has blood vessels that supply the bone. And then what is this? It's in between, so we call it interstitial. And if it encases the entire bone, then it's just called circumferential. So again, same thing, you can take a look at that. Osteon is the smallest functional unit, also known as haversian systems. So one more time, we have concentric around, interstitial between, and circumferential wrapping the entirety of it. Periosteum is basically the connective tissue layer that wraps around all of that. And it also integrates and becomes a part of your tendons. So we got that. Let's take a break.